Hi guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss about a different type of servers that you may used in the Oracle database technology, or you may be using it with the different technologies like cloud platform or any other platform. So what is this server? Let's try to understand it. Let's assume that we have a server is available here like this. Okay, we have a server and there are different type of servers can be available. Like if you talk about the servers, you will find it in the Oracle DBA. Like you may find out the Windows server, which is again it has been developed by the Microsoft. We know this is Windows server is not open source. It's not open source means you need to pay a money whenever you want to purchase this Windows server. We need to pay it. It's not open source. It's not at all open source. Then we may have heard about the Linux server. This is also one of the type of the servers. It's a Linux server. Now this is completely open source. There are many developers, they came together and they develop this Linux operating system, and it will be completely free of cost, so anyone can use it. That is why we are calling it as a open source. And there is a third server, we are calling it as a Unix server. So initially it was developed by the company called AT&T. Their developer developed it, but again this is not available as a open source. Again you need to pay the money. After that, what happened, after some years, there are many other companies came. Since it is open source, this Linux is open source, the companies came like Red Hat. They made some changes to this operating system and they created their own operating system. We are calling it as a Red Hat Linux. So basically they have used the code of the Linux operating system only. Now on the Unix platform also you may have heard about the AX operating system. Then we have HP. So every company, they created their own operating system or own servers and they have given their own name, and this is how they are doing the business. So we have a servers, and on that server we are going to install our database 19C. So it's not like on the server you can only install the 19C database or only database you can install. You can install anything. Whatever software you want to install, you can install it over here. Let's say you want to install Chrome. Chrome is just a web browser. You can install it. No worries. And Windows we already know. We are using Windows 10 machine. Windows 7 we already used. But these are not servers, okay? This is just for the user perspective. They have created an operating system. So we have a servers are available in Windows also. So Microsoft Servers 2002. You may have heard about all this terminology. When we are saying that server means where the number of users can connect, multiple connections can connect. User 1 also can connect, user 2 also can connect at a time, and they can do their work. So when I'm saying, I'm taking example of Oracle database, to this Oracle database, thousands of people will connect, right? So first of all, they will make the connection to the server, and then they will make the connection to the database. This is how things are going to be happen. So this is all about the server, guys. I hope this is clear. Thank you.